Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about how to connect your Avalanche wallet to Metamask so you can claim your XAVA tokens. Open your Avalanche wallet. Please make sure that you have used the right link. Now navigate to Manage Keys. Here you can see import keys and export keys, key phase and C-chain private key. Press on C-chain private key. You will get a pop-up with a private key and a warning. Copy the private key. Now open your Metamask wallet connected with Avalanche network. Press on My Accounts. Now keep the select type as Import Account. Now keep the select type as private key and paste your private key string here. Press Import. Now you have successfully added your Avalanche web wallet account on your Metamask. Match your Metamask wallet address with your C-chain Avalanche web wallet address. They will be same. You have successfully connected your Avalanche wallet to Metamask to claim your XAVA tokens. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.